In today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Kraken to bank account. Withdrawing money from Kraken to your bank account is straightforward once your account is verified and your bank details are added. After logging into your Kraken account, either using the app or this site, go to the Funding tab. Go ahead and select Withdrawal. Choose your preferred fiat currency such as USD, Euro, or GBP depending on what your bank accepts. Kraken will then ask you to add a withdrawal method, which means entering your bank account details. The exact details required depend on the currency, for example, IBAN for your withdrawals, or routing and account numbers for USD. Once your bank account is linked, you can enter the amount you want to withdraw. Kraken will show you the withdrawal fee and the estimated time for the funds to arrive. For most bank transfers, this ranges from 1 to 5 business days. Some methods, such as SEPA transfers for you within the EU, are often faster and cheaper, while SWIFT transfers for international withdrawals may take longer and cost more. After confirming the withdrawal, Kraken will process the transaction and send the money to your bank account. You can monitor the status in your withdrawal history. It's important to note that the name on your Kraken account must match the name on your bank account, as third-party transfers are not allowed for security reasons. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.